Hi. A lot of times we get this error during whenever we run our project using Flutter, uh, and the error is like package install error, like failure. Install failed insufficient storage. This means that the installing of the APK on the emulator failed. So how can we resolve this error whenever we get this error? Uh, have a look at it again. So package install error, failed install, failed sufficient storage, error launching applications on Android SDK built for x86. So this is my x86 emulator. So to fix this error, first of all, close your emulator. It's closing the emulator now. So the emulator is closed. Now open the AVD Manager. Where is the AVD Manager? Flutter attached. This is the AVD Manager, or you can go to Tools, and click here AVD Manager, or just go to this menu item and click here, and this will open the AVD Manager dialog on your Android Studio. After this, you can make it a bit bigger and see this. So which one was our device on which this error occurred? Let's check here again. It was, I think, the first one, Nexus 6 API 23. So simply go to this device, click here, and wipe data. So this will wipe all the data from your emulator of any previously installed APKs. And you see the data. Yes. We can also do it for other emulators in the list, but actually we don't need that because we were running our applications previously only on, testing our application only previously on this Nexus 6 API 23. Just click here on this, in this row in front of this Nexus 6 API 23 and click wipe data. That's it. And yes. So, and then close the AVD Manager again. Then go to this list of devices and click here to kind of get your emulator running again, and wait for some time so that the emulator pops up. So we see the emulator running now. Click here to get this away, and now try to launch your application again by clicking here on the run button, and this error should be removed now. Okay, it's installing the APK is debug APK is built, and now it's installing the APK, and you see that the APK pops up. So that's it. See, you see our application is running again. So we have fixed this insufficient storage error, and that's it.